We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up EUR, JPY. We are on the monthly time frame, price action. Last candle to the right hand side, bullish green candle, working its way up. Price action overall, highest high. Price action overall, lowest low. Midpoint in the middle. Headed back over to price. Where's price located? Located below second level highs. Right what we see. So below price, at overall, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, market broke the SR line, came back to retest for another double bottom in that area. Market pushed up again. So price is headed up to second level highs. So we're going to see how it looks if we receive another bullish candle, or is this price action candle tagging the top already to come back down for that retest to the side here for it to work back up? Or will we have to push, or will that area market consolidate on this in this area before it breaks up or down? Let's say if we do that, receive a decline, market coming from overall first, second, third, fourth, retest, market drop, triple top in that area. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame. Weak candle, second candle, weak candle as well. Push down to a bottom, so that's a retest. Price acts like a doji, is a weak candle. It's not solid. It's not big enough to be strong. Second is retesting. The second to last candle is retesting the previous side here. And the third to last candle is retesting something up here. So this is a range that this area is in with price. So price is in at a midpoint of that area. We look waiting for a pattern to form. So we can receive another green candle that can push that market up and out of here. And if that does happen, market's coming from that area of that first, second, third, fourth, retest one. On this time frame, it's not going to identify as retest. We may not see a red candle. As you walk down, you may see it because the second last candle is a retest to the previous side. So that'll be a retest, and market will push for the second time. Or we can have a decline in that market, which price will be coming from the first, second, third. Look for a bearish candle, drop that down for an M pattern. Or we can receive a consolidation. Headed down to the daily time frame. Price action in the daily time frame is a retest at the midpoint. We have price action highs, price action lows. We do have that midpoint in the middle. Also below price is a pattern that formed, which is a double bottom. So we do have that first, second, third. Market pushing that fourth. So price action candle is the retest of that break of the SR line that we did create. We're going to see if we're going to receive another green candle to push up. And as we walk down the time frame, it may identify as a break and retest in this area. Or market may be coming from an overall double top or decline, which will create that first, second, third, and we'll receive an engulfing pattern for that market to push down for that fourth leg. May want to see price action engulf the second or the third to last candle in the market for that market to push down, or just wait for a pattern to identify the drop. On the 4-hour time frame, price second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth last candles consolidation. So market's working its way sideways in that area, coming from a pattern look like an overall double bottom in this area here. And also this is a break and retest. This is a retest of this SR line. So let's break it down from the beginning. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we have a decline W that pushed back up to that area, and it broke the midpoint, and we did receive the retest. So let's find it. Retest is the fourth candle in the market. So that market broke, came back to retest, and that market's trying to push out. But as we walk down the 4-hour time frame, we'll probably see multiple pushes up to that top, because the third to last candle is also a tag up to the top with the fourth to last candle and maybe the second last candle as well. So let's walk down the time frame to 3 hours, see what we see. 413 is identifying the same thing. Second last candle, we just got more doji with the second last candle, third to last candle. But we still see that break. Market came back to retest, pushed up, and then market's pushing, coming back for a retest again. So it could be a double bottom or double top, first, second, third. If we do receive that break of that resistance, support, look for a retest for that market to come down from a double top of the retest, or just maybe just a double top. And if that market do shoot up, we did see once again where we did a double bottom, so we know how it's going to look. That did push up, first, second, third, up. And we see that consolidation still in that area of the midpoint. Three-hour, 2-hour time frame, identifying the same thing. 1 hour, identifying the same thing. 1 hour still has to work its way up. Price action has to engulf the previous side and close out, maybe even close out above, not just the bodies of this area, maybe just close above the wicks. So we may have to wait for a third candle to form to show that market's going to push up for that W. 1 to 45 minute, first, second, third, fourth retest. Market's breaking up. Price action is at a retest right now of the previous areas of 1, 2, 3. And we receive that retest, looking for an engulfing pattern after that for that market to push up. If it pushes down, multiple pushes to that top, first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2. That's about 4 pushes to that top of resistance. If that market does come down from that area, we're looking for the break and retest of that SR line. So market will be coming from a quadruple top. Price action is a doji, so it's a retest. So we can see that price action, look for low price. You see it's coming from that W, coming down in green, first leg, second leg, third last candle is a retest. Market pushed up, retest again. So it just danced around in this area, still waiting for a full break to the previous side here on a 30-minute time frame. 15-minute as well, consolidation in this area, waiting for that breakout of the second and third to last candle, headed to the 5, waiting for this market to grow still more. Market just broke the midpoint, so we're still waiting for a close out to the previous side for that market to see if it's going to push up. If not, market's going to come down to that M, headed down to the 3-minute time frame. Same as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, retest, market drops, could drop from a triple top if it respected first, second, third, fourth. So I'll be breaking of the resistance line that we created, retest and work its way up, coming from an overall double top and a retest or triple bottom. And if you look at price action on a 1-minute time frame, look for price to close out against its previous side here with these wicks. Also, you may have to be careful because price just broke the SR line, so it may be coming back to retest for the push. So wait around for that pattern to happen in that area. You can see that double bottom, that price is coming from first, second, third. Market pushed up fourth, and we know what happens after the double bottom, retest, market works its way up. Okay, guys, very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Also, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. EUR JPY.